Is your 2018 Mazda 3 key fob not working? Let's troubleshoot. First, the most common culprit is the CR232 battery. If replacing it doesn't work, reprogramming is the next step. To reprogram, try cycling the ignition on, but not starting, then off, 8 to 10 times while pressing a fob button. If that fails, a receiver reset might be needed. Disconnect the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect. Then, try reprogramming the fob. These steps solve most fob issues, but if problems persist, it could indicate a faulty receiver or body control module, BCM, and a professional is needed. If basic fixes don't work, a failing receiver or body control module may be the cause. These components handle the key fob signals and can malfunction due to age or electrical issues. Diagnostic tools, like an OBD2 scanner, can help identify these faults. This tool connects to your car's system to read error codes and check the BCM or receiver modules. Also, check for moisture damage on the fob circuit board. Water can corrode the electronics, causing intermittent failures. Inspect the board carefully for corrosion. If you use a Mazda Connect account with the My Mazda app, attempt a software update to see if it has fixed the issue. Updates can resolve firmware glitches in the key system. Consider a digital key via the My Mazda app as a workaround. This smartphone-based system can replace the physical fob for keyless entry and starting. While parts for the 2018 model might become harder to find, remember that future trends favor digital keys and software-based fixes, reducing reliance on physical fobs. For complex issues, consult a certified technician to avoid voiding warranties.